Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is community.com. So this is a website URL, and before we started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 53, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 10 and the spam score is 30%, so it is quite high. But no need to worry about this website because this website cannot give you you can insert your website URL, then you can only create your business listing with the name and the information and your targeted keywords, titles, these kind of things. These things also help you for your brand mention and your information mention on these website. So if you guys got chances to list your businesses on these websites, so definitely you can put your brand name on this website. That could be help you to the creating a citation. Okay, so the website name is this, and so let's start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. There you can put your name, then your email ID. There you can add your password. Then after you can select anything and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after you can click on the register button and you see our account is created. Now after you can click on the add listing. There you see there is a free plan. You can select the free plan, and from there you can select your category, and here you can add your title. So let me use this job my AI powered video interviewing for smart hiring. So there I added my brand name, and these are the targeted keyword are attached with this brand name. So you can play the smartly to how you can list a business. That could be also help you for the your business citation. There you can add a short description. So for the short description, I can copy hire interview and better. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. Virtual interview platform. Let me use virtual interview platform, virtual interviewing platform, and then you can add this one, interview better and faster with AI. There we can add our description. So I can use this, and if you're wanting to display your profile, so you can check this yes. And if you have any features open for Sunday, this is not open for Sunday. So senior discount available, military discount available. If you're providing this kind of a discount, so you can check this, and there you can add your brand name, and from there you can select your address, Minnesota. There you can add your address, then you can select your city, Mintonka, and there you can add a postal code if you have a latitude and the longitude, so you can add. Then after there you can add your business hours. Here you can add your business phone number. Here you can display your business email. So our company using this business email, so sales@zoma.com. There you can add your all social company social media. There you can add your company all social media profiles, and if you have anything attached for attachment, so you can attach. So I can attach for now logo only, and once you guys will complete all the things, then once you guys will add your all details, then you can verify once, and after you can click on the submit a listing. So our listing is successfully submitted and it is live now. So you can click on the return to your my account page. There you can click on the listing button, and if this is your listing, you can click on this, and this is your listing landing page URL. If I can open this in incognito, so click on continue to site, So you can see this is our brand name. Jobma AI video interview software for smart hiring. This is a brand name, and this is your contact detail, your all social accounts, and this is a description. So overall, this is the process to how you can create a business listing in this website. So overall, this is the process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide me social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.